Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You can't run Java Edition natively on Xbox, so the first step is to prepare a PC and move your Bedrock world. Start by backing up your Bedrock world to cloud or USB. Do that now so nothing is lost. Once done, enable Xbox Remote Play or make sure your Xbox and PC are on the same network for file transfers. Make sure Java Edition is purchased on the PC and updated. This avoids version mismatches during conversion. On your PC, use a conversion tool like Amulet or MCC Tool Chest. These translate Bedrock region files into Java format. First, import the Macworld or the extracted world folder, then map player data and resource packs so skins and add-ons don't break. You'll need to reconcile block ID, entity names, and biome mappings. Tools automate much of that, but expect manual fixes. When the tool finishes, export the result as a Java world folder. Place the exported Java world into your Java saves folder, then launch Java Edition and open the world. You'll verify terrain, redstone, and entities, test spawn points and player inventory. If you want to play on Xbox hardware, stream the Java client from your PC to Xbox via Xbox app or Remote Play. Otherwise, play on PC. If anything goes wrong, restore your Bedrock backup, read the conversion logs for errors, and rerun conversion after adjusting mappings or removing incompatible packs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.